Motorville.
An industrial excavator is working on the construction site again. Aw, poor guy. That pipe snagged his bucket. Where did it come from? Oh no, the road! Oh man, looks like it's really not your day. Maybe you should get some rest. Oh, do you have a better idea? What is it? Where are you going? Wait a minute, you did not finish the hole. And who is going to fill the crack in the road? Oh, I see. Our excavator has decided to change his job. Well, good luck to you. Look at that, in the tree. The little kitten can't get down from the branch. Excavator, you want to rescue the kitten by yourself? Oh, whoa, be careful. A nest has fallen out because of your blows. Hooray! The kitten is saved. Good job, fire truck. Oh, look! It's Little Truck. What's the matter? Do you have a flat tire? Excavator, do you want to help? Are you sure you can do it? All right, if you're confident, load the box then. Is it a good idea for you to carry it like that? Whoa, whoa! Oh, not again. Another tough break, Excavator. After all, it is a truck's job to carry the goods, don't you think? And here's our little truck. He has already fixed the wheel. Hey, do you hear those signals? Let's go see what happened. Oh no! We need to help the cars to get out and fill in this huge crack. Excavator, can you handle it? Wow, that's the spirit. Great job! What an excavator! Okay, cars, the street is open. Excavator, do you now understand how important it is for everyone to do their job and do it well? Well, you've done amazing work today. And now, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone!